Hi, how is it going? Dr. Perinacci here. Today, I'm gonna show you my new toy, the Straumann Signature MIDAS. Come on, let's unbox it together. Wow, this is smaller than I thought. Okay, we can see a big screen here, a USB-C port, and this is the QR code scanner for the capsules. Then on the back, we have the power button, as well as the Ethernet connection and the plug for the power cable. Pretty straightforward. And in here, in this little black box, we have the power cable. Those are the support snippers, a pair of gloves, and a clean cloth. Nice touch, huh? This is the capsule template. Just place it here, and you're good to go with the printed setup.